If you want to become anything, first of all, you should do practically. If you want to make missile, then you should make first of all, you should make practically.
Firstly, it's a theory of missile, making missile. So how can you make? You don't know what's a theory of practical. So how can you practical? You don't know. Where is the
To become an IAS officer, there is a no practical class. There is a only theory class. You study history, then you become IAS officer. There is a no practical class in IAS officer. Without study, how can you become IAS officer?
Yes.
How can you become?
How is this possible?
Do one debate. The debate topic is theoretical knowledge versus practical knowledge. I am supporting practical knowledge is good because in practical knowledge we have very much confidence, and if you want to become IPS, but if you have no confidence, how can you become? And if you have read all of book, but you can't deliver speech on the stage because you have no confidence. And if you want to deliver speech on the stage, then first time, when you will deliver speech first time, then you will also feel fear. And when you will deliver speech first time, your heart will धड़कने का start bumping very hardly, and your kidney will destroyed, and your blood start very fastly running.
You are just saying that if you want to become IPS officer, IAS officer, you need to practical classes, because without practical you can't deliver speech and you can't handle. Without theory you can pass the exam IPS officer. If you want to become IPS officer, IAS officer, so you need to firstly you need to practical class because of the deliver speech and handle the IPS officer's duty. And if you have nothing knowledge, theory classes, so how can you pass examination of IPS officer? How can you pass without theory?
But if you have no competence, how can you give exam?
But firstly, that priority is theory classes.
Yes.
Firstly, priority is theory classes. If you are
Yes.
I have answer. If you want to become mechanic, if you want to become anything, first of all, you should do practically. If you want to make missile, then you should make first of all, you should make practically.
firstly, how you don't know what's the theory of missile, making missile. So how can you make? You don't know what's the theory of practical. So how can you practical?
If you want to become mechanic, how can you become? If you will read all of books, how to make car and अरे यार रुको तो, how to service car, and then when one car came on your shop, how can you kick?
And you are just reading
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
1 minute, sir. Firstly, your master coach. Firstly, your coach give you theory. How should I make? Firstly, your coach. After that,
they give you practical.
yes, sir. He firstly, sir. Firstly, sir. What?
Without practical.
No, sir. That is theory. Sir, he will. No, sir. No, sir. None of. Sir, firstly. No, sir. Firstly. No, sir.
First of all, listen my talk.
I want you to go in army field, so he will give me the
Yes, he will give you theory class. He will take copy and book.
Sir, you don't give me any question, any point.
Don't just give the look.
Do you want to ask a question?
नहीं. He want to share opinion. Personally question.
Yes, you can also say question.
नहीं.
No. Faraj, I will encounter question, Faraj. Faraj said that when you want to become a IAS, listen.
You are sharing two opinion and
Two opinions. Firstly, confidence, and second, IAS officer. If you want to become a IAS officer, there is a no practical class. There is a only theory class. You study history, then you become IAS officer. There is no practical class in IAS officer. Without study, how can you become IAS officer? How can you become?
How is this possible that you are going becoming IAS officer and there is no practical? How is this possible?
But firstly, you should study theory class.
Yes, 1 minute.
You go there for
Am I encounter of Faraj?
because of practical. They push up. They gain some muscle. How?
But firstly, you will study. Firstly, you will study.
Officer,
IAS officer, listen, sir, listen. IAS, I listen firstly.
You one by one. Otherwise, this will become.
Firstly, listen. IAS officer not shoot a person. IAS officer only work like a sign. He give order.
If I don't know how to do a sign,
Yes, take.
how can I?
That's the theory.
So you know this is a theory.
That is the theory.
This is the theory. This is the
Also
theory.
practical.
No, sir. This is theory. This is theory.
How you do this from your hand? This is also practical.
This is theory.
How can?
We are just.
How did you said?
That's the practical.
You wrote this. This is theory.
Yes.
This is also theory. This is theory.
You are just their side.
Now from in.
But because of this, we can do practical.
So firstly, this is the first priority is the theory.
Let me tell you, for IAS officer, for okay, no, one by one. Yes, he wants to say.
Firstly, you don't know नस को क्या बोलेंगे हम? Pulse. You don't know where is heart's nus, and you are cutting that body, and you join anywhere, so you don't know what's the theory of heart's nus, heart's pulse, and how can you?
He said that if you want to become a doctor, they hire well-skilled doctors. But if you want to become a doctor without theory, is it possible? First, listen.
Possible. But if you read only and only physics and science and biology, how can you become a doctor?
If you listen, if you
don't know how to cut, if you don't know how to do putty,
if you don't know where is the pulse, where is this pulse that connect with heart?
this debate
No.
about
No.
I'm just doing this thing for the theory. I know theory is great thing, but I'm just doing this thing in the second place. The
First,
first is practical and the
listen.
second one is theory.
If you going for a C-section operation theater, because without theory, is it possible?
It is.
No.
It is not possible.
In operation theater, if you have no knowledge about the body parts, because knowledge comes from theory,
And
before,
here I also
And,
said that I can also say this. If you don't know, how can you go to the critical discover होता है? I see. How can you go to the ICU if you don't know how to cut? If you don't know, you will read.